has the onion. Cute. The onion is the bacon. Don't have steak. I do have a waffle. Looks very realistic too. A chicken leg. Stack of flapjacks. A stack of flapjacks. The next one is butter, and there's butter on top of this. So I'm counting it. Please. I have this jar. Yes, it has my slime in it, but it's a jar. This one, it just launched in my store. It's a lemon slime. I don't have a legit salad fidget, but I do have cabbage, egg, strawberries, and chicken. This exact rice. For the honey, I have this honey bear slime that's in my store. It's a beautiful slime. Comes with all of these, a honey wand, and when